Hello and welcome to Calsoft podcast series. My name is Umang Rajvanshi and I will be your host for this podcast. I am associated with Calsoft as a marketing specialist. Today we have with us Mr. Satyendra Shukla and he will be discussing automation and DevOps delivery in details. Satyendra is a principal development engineer at Calsoft. He has 7+ years of experience as a software developer with profound knowledge of automation and DevOps technologies in telecom and storage domain. He is very passionate about coding and he believes in the power of programming to transform and improve the lives of people around the world. Great Satyendra, it's a pleasure to have you with us today.
Thank you, Umang.
So Satyendra, just to start, can you tell us what according to you is automation?
Yeah, automation, as the term suggests, is the automatic execution of tasks without periodic interference. It aims to minimize and gradually do away with human intervention. A software that operates on its own and an electronics device that functions autonomously are examples of automation. Automation is the technology by which a process or procedure is performed with minimal human assistance. In the technology domain, the impact of automation is increasing rapidly, both in the software and machine layer. However, despite advances in automation, some manual intervention is always advised, even if the tool can perform most of the tasks.
Can you tell us in details what would be the benefits of automation be?
IT automation's benefit include faster data center and cloud operations, reduced errors and variation from one implementation of a task to the next, and enhanced security. The more you can automate, the more successful you will be in delivering quality software faster with reduced risk and costs. Higher production rates and increased productivity, more efficient use of materials, better product quality, improved safety. There are few key points: quality and consistency. Automation ensures that every action is performed identically, resulting in high quality, reliable results. For example, if you have automated your customer service follow-up process, your customers will consistently experience the same level of service from your business. Second is time savings. Manual tasks take time. They must be performed linearly by humans who are prone to errors and who are unable to consistently perform to the highest standards. Automation reduces the number of tasks that would need to do manually. It also allows you to get more done in the same amount of time, greatly increasing productivity. Next is improved operational efficiency. Automation not only ensures system run smoothly and efficiently, but that errors are eliminated and best practices are constantly leveraged. Next is reliability. The reliability of workflow automation ensures that processes essential for corporate governance are executed 100% of the time in accordance with legislation. And the last is reduced costs. Manual tasks, given that they are performed one at a time and at the slower rate than an automated task, will cost more. Automation allows you to accomplish more by utilizing fewer resources.
How would you describe DevOps, its process and its importance?
Yes, Umang, this is a good question. As HP writes in its business white paper, DevOps requires a culture transformation. The approach encourages all parties to collaborate, communicate, and share responsibilities, customer-oriented goals, and business objectives. In waterfall model of software development lifecycle, where developer and operation teams work, once one team hand off the task, which lead delay in delivering time and quality as well. But DevOps sees the software development process as a single pipeline. Instead of a series of boxes, each packed in one department, labeled in another, and delivered by someone who doesn't even know what is inside.
In what manner are automation and DevOps related? Can you illustrate this?
Yeah, the three main components of successful DevOps are commonly cited as tools or technology, process, and people or culture. Automation is the primary goal of the first two: tools that enables you to automate previously manual tasks and then establishing the process that allow you to take advantage of this automation. There is a lot more to DevOps than just automation, but automation of each stage of the software development process, from building to staging, releasing, deployment, provisioning, configuration, and monitoring, plays such a critical role that it has become a key attribute of DevOps. Automating infrastructure setup and configuration and the software deployment is the key highlighting of DevOps practices. As Tony Bradley, editor-in-chief of Tech Perspective, says, if DevOps is the game of goals, then automation is like the putter. The game itself may be played for different reasons by different individuals, exercise, competition, just to get out and enjoy nature, but the fundamentals are the same no matter what the ultimate goal is.
Can you deep dive into 3 of the essential elements of DevOps environment? That is continuous integration, continuous delivery, and continuous deployment.
These are software development practices. In continuous integration, that is CI, we build and unit test software every time a developer check-ins new code. In continuous delivery, that is CD, continuous integration, automated testing, and automated deployment capabilities allow high-quality software to be developed and deployed rapidly, reliably, and repeatedly with minimal manual overhead. In continuous deployment, every code changes goes through the entire pipeline and is put into production automatically, resulting in many production deployment every day. With continuous delivery, in the software is always release ready, yet the timing of when to push it into production is a business decision, and so the final deployment is a manual step. With continuous deployment, any updated working version of the application is automatically pushed to production. Continuous deployment mandates continuous delivery, but the opposite is not required.
So how is automation beneficial in DevOps?
If we want to achieve the objective of DevOps, high quality and value delivered to customers via frequent and fast deliveries, automate everything is a must. We know that automation removes manual errors, dependency on an individual, perform faster, and achieves accuracy, thereby achieving consistency and reliability. Hence, automating everything enables the DevOps objective of high quality delivery, enables frequent releases and faster releases. Main benefits of automation in DevOps are accelerate time to market, ability to build the right product, improved productivity and efficiency, reliable releases, improved product quality, improved customer satisfaction. So in short, automation in DevOps ultimately encapsulates everything right from building, deploying, and monitoring.
So how do you think DevOps will bring about transformation in business and technology landscape in the years to come?
In 2001, the Agile Manifesto changed the landscape of software development with the introduction of Agile development. Agile methodologies taught developers to break down software development into smaller chunks known as user stories, which accelerate feedback loops and align product features with market need. In the modern world, the time available to produce new software, develop new products, or to release new updates of existing solution is reducing rapidly. This has resulted in IT services or product development organization to be more responsive to change and thereby assisting business entities to be more receptive to change as well. The DevOps philosophy was born from this need to create a way of working that would enable a more agile and responsive organization. An effective DevOps operation helps reduce the time between concept and cache. In other words, it shortens the time required to create value from new or innovative solution ideas. The traditional on-premises database infrastructure model is clearly changing. Over the last few years, we have seen accelerating migration towards infrastructure as a services, which include the database environment in database as a services, the increased dominance of cloud services from AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud, along with the developing technologies such as Kubernetes and the serverless model, are evidence that the trend will continue. With this trend, DevOps will focus on the integration at the edge between services. Companies that have implemented DevOps have seen increased business efficiency and faster deployments. As the demand of AI-driven application continues to rise, that data science teams will adopt DevOps best practices in their model management workflows.
Thank you, Satyendra. It was an interesting discussion. To reiterate for the audience, in this session, we covered fundamentals of automation and delivery, their benefits, and how they are related. Satyendra also explained us the three essential elements of DevOps environment, that is continuous integration, continuous delivery, and continuous deployment. With this, we would like to sign off for today. Thanks for tuning in. For any questions, please write to us at marketing@calsoftinc.com and stay tuned for our future podcasts.